everyone, welcome to Mr. Queen PH, and in today's video we will see what's coming to you in April 2025. As you all know, these are general readings, so it may not resonate with you completely, but if you want to consult with a trusted personal advisor who can give you individualized reading, I highly recommend my sponsor, Psychic Source. Psychic Source is the most trusted psychic service in the industry with over 35 years of experience. They provide intuitive guidance accessible to anyone through their community of professional and gifted advisors. You can connect with them at your most comfortable way through a phone call, video chat, or text. Psychic Source is committed to hope, healing, and empowerment. And if you're not happy with your last paid psychic reading, it's free. That's how confident they are, backing it up with a no-risk guarantee. Even if I'm a tarot reader myself, I still seek guidance to gain clarity from other psychics to see a different perspective because sometimes I can be biased on how I read my own cards. And I'm so satisfied with my recent consultation with Venus. She's an advisor from Psychic Source. She gave me comfort and insights with the project that I'm working with. Now here's the good news. Psychic Source is giving an extra special discount to new customers from my channel. This is the best and highest value promotion in the industry, and other psychic brands don't even close. Just go to trypsychicsource.com/MrQueen and use my code MrQueen to try up to 40 minutes with an advisor for just $19.80. That is up to $240 value. 40 minutes will allow you to talk to multiple advisors, and you don't have to use all the minutes in one session. You can also call the number on the screen to get a reading or scan this QR code to easily access the website. Again, that's trypsychicsource.com/MrQueen or click the link in my description to connect with an advisor anytime, anywhere. Thank you so much, Psychic Source, for this opportunity. And now, let's go to your reading. Okay, Aquarius, let's see what's coming to you ngayong April 2025. Ayan, so please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. So, let's see, Aquarius, what's coming ngayong April 2025. April 2025. So this is your overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, yung focus mo, at yung blessing. Bottom of the deck is the Sun. Wow, very positive vibe to for you, Aquarius. This is about celebration, happiness, good harvest din to. So kung kayo ay may farm or you are into agriculture, I see you na meron kang hina-harvest na itinanim mo. Pwede rin naman tong yung investments mo. You're going to harvest that. There is also a new beginning, like a new idea. Parang meron dito nagsa-celebrate dahil sa magandang idea ninyo na maaring makakasama nyo yung mga taong mga nakasuporta sa'yo or someone who believes in you. Overall energy, you have the Hermit. So this is about reassessing your situation. Maaring mayroon kayong i-isolate niyo yung sarili nyo, or meron kayong bibigyan niyo ng time yung sarili mo to just have this quiet moment about self-reflection. Ay, oo, kasi 'di ba? Lalo na yung mga Catholics. Kasi 'di ba merong Holy Week, ayan. So it's about self-reflection, parang pag-strategize ulit about what you really want to do with your life. And then your challenge is the Page of Cups. For some of you, maaring meron kang pangarap na iniisip mo kung kaya mo ba siyang gawin. You may be thinking na masyado tong mahirap abutin. But actually, pag inisip mo na agad yan, ikaw na mismo nagbibigay ng limitation sa sarili mo na maabot yun, 'di ba? So, the challenge for you is to believe in yourself, to believe in what you can do, to believe in your visions. 'Di ba? your opportunity is the Page of Pentacles. As an opportunity, meron kang mga pag-aaralan, i-research. You want to gain more knowledge kasi sabi nga, knowledge is power. 'Di ba? And yung knowledge mo na yan, you can create it as a source of income. Yung kaalaman mo na yan. Maiko-convert mo yan into abundance. So that's your opportunity right now to start something new, to start a new opportunity to create money, pwedeng bagong trabaho, bagong career, bagong business, or any source of income. And then your focus is the Two of Swords. I think ang focus mo ngayon is ma-hit mo yung target mo. Ma-hit mo yung target mo na goal. Kumbaga, hindi ka magpapadistract. Hindi mo hahayaan na magulo ka ng ibang tao doon sa mga gusto mong gawin. Actually, hindi lang naman tao yung nakikigulo. Pwedeng yung sitwasyon. May mga distraction. Halimbawa na lang, meron kang kailangan tapusing project, task, pero andyan yung cellphone mo. na parang mapapatingin ka sa cellphone mo, tapos ayun na, nag-scroll ka na ng ilang oras. Hindi mo na nagawa yung gagawin mo, or hindi mo na siya kasi minsan pwedeng madidelay yung gagawin mo. So I think yung focus mo ngayon is to stay on the schedule na binigay mo para sa sarili mo. And then your blessing is the Nine of Swords. I think kung meron kayong ang tawag doon, hindi ka makatulog, insomnia, some of you ay magagawa na ng solusyon or paraan yan. Yung iba sa inyo na na nag-aaral or nagre-review for an exam, you will be rewarded dyan sa efforts ninyo. So, it's either makakapasa kayo sa exams, or magiging successful tong binubuo mo at pinaghirapan mo na project. Six of Wands. There is success. You're going to be the center of attention. Yung iba kasi maaring you are in the public eye, or can be a content creator, social media influencer, and there are times na gusto mo rin may time ka para sa sarili mo. So magagawa mo yun. You will be able to balance your career and your own special needs, your own needs. You have the Seven of Pentacles. This is also being patient. I think, man yung mga sinubukan mo, sinimulan mo, mas magiging patient ka, mas magiging, you will be working harder para makamit mo yung nire-require for that certain result. You get my point? Let's see, what is the Page of Pentacles? Two of Cups. This is partnership. So, maaring iba papasok sa isang business partnership. Pwede rin sa relationship ninyo na meron kayong mabubuong pangarap para sa future ninyo, para sa mga goals nyo sa relationship ninyo. Six of Swords. Yung iba sa inyo iiwas sa drama, iiwas sa gulo. Ayaw nyo ng distraction. So, you are focused on the destination na gusto mong maabot. Doon sa gusto mong mapuntahan. What is the Nine of Swords? The Moon. You will be blessed with very, very powerful instinct na yung intuition mo na yon, that's going to be your guide para sa decision making mo, or ano man yung path na gusto mong tahakin. And also, meron ditong blessing in disguise. You will, marireveal sa inyo kung sino yung totoo sa inyo at kung sino yung hindi. And minsan, masakit na malaman na merong mga tao na akala natin supportive sa atin, totoo sa atin, yung pala hindi. At least nalaman mo, 'di ba? Oh, ayan. So ngayong April, you will give more time para sa sarili mo na magpahinga, lalo na kung lagi kang puyat. Ayan, time for a nap. TikTok. Maari ring mas magiging productive ka. At since you are productive, mas magiging masaya ka, mas magiging fulfilled ka kasi marami kang na-accomplish, marami kang nagagawa. Di ba ang sarap sa pakiramdam na kahit gaano karami yung kailangan mong gawin or kailangan mo, yung mga task mo for the day, tapos pag nagawa mo na siya, kahit pagod ka, ang sarap sa pakiramdam kasi na-accomplish mo eh. Walang nakabitin na trabaho. Di ba? Pay attention to your finances. Yes, so isa rin to sa bibigyan mo ng focus, yung iyong kaperahan, the way you handle money. Temptation will test you. Ayan, I think may kinalaman tong temptation na to sa pera. Na minsan, 'di ba, parang, uy, sige na, bilhin mo na, or uy, gastusin mo na 'yan. Pero I think ito yung i-workout mo na disiplina sa sarili mo para sa goals mo. May good fortune. Wow, 4-leaf clover. Merong pwede tong unexpected income for you, unexpected money. Yes, you are in alignment of your goals, but meron kasing somehow can be a family member or within your circle na hindi siya talaga masaya sa nangyayaring magagandang bagay sa buhay mo. Someone might be jealous of you or envious, naiinggit. But no worries kasi marireveal to sa'yo, and yung instinct mo na yon parang magli-lead sa'yo na sa kung ano yung dapat mong gawin. Some of you, iiwasan nyo itong taong to. Okay, so that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. See you again.